because this class is meant only for one thing, that is learning math. Hey Kartik, Ranveer, what is going on? Hey Kartik, turn on your video.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Slok, this is your first class. I know you would have heard something from Rudraj. She would have told you what we do in the class. So, this class will be fun if you are not like him.
You should be like me.
If you are like him, please don't come to the class.
How about please?
You are better
I'm
still.
not like him. I'm not like him.
Don't be like him. He doesn't study and he doesn't let anybody study. And I'm not a big admirer of you. I'm still struggling to figure out that a 49-year-old is trying to make somebody learn something. I have not been successful yet. Okay? So you can take pride in that you have been successful in wasting everybody's time, but I'm not happy about it. Okay? So let's not keep repeating our mistakes, because mistakes are not something that we should feel happy about. Okay? Alright. So here again in this class, first thing first we'll do is we'll check tables. Let's see who all remembers what all tables. Table till
5,
4 9 jar,
36,
3 8 jar,
24,
24. Don't doubt yourself. Say it with confidence. 2 9 jar,
18,
5 8 jar.
40,
Good job. So you gave the right answer and you gave the answer very quickly. You were not counting. Okay? When it comes to tables, I don't want anybody to count. Can you put the wrapper aside? Why everything in the world disturbs you or gets you distracted? Okay. Table till. Slow, keep it away, beta, okay? Because what happens is let's see, this is my tea. If I keep playing with this, I'll not teach you guys, right? I'm taking a sip and keeping it away so that it doesn't bother me. Okay. Table till. No, I'm not going to 12. You will make me sleep. 8 8 jar.
64,
So somehow this has to get fixed. Remember, if I say you say table till 17 and then I say 17 3 jar, you'll keep counting 17 17 17 17. No, that's not work. I'm not happy about it.
you said
Oh,
the class I didn't count if I did.
Count. Let's see. 9 4 jar,
36,
8 7 jar,
56,
quick. Everybody is quick.
56,
Okay. 9 9 jar,
81,
81. So guys, move little bit so that we have space for everybody. So Riddhi is here, Naira is here, Manvi. So Rehan, you might go back to
oh,
yeah. Okay. So 11 5 jar, Yug. 11 5 jar, 11 5 jar,
Me, 11, 5, 55,
12 6 jar.
12, 6, oh,
Put this band on.
120,
Huh?
120,
No. 12 6 jar is 72. Keep that. This is for repelling the mosquitoes. Okay. So you can put. Okay. One for Naira. I know. Keep the mosquitoes away. Okay, Riddhi, move a little bit this side. You guys are squeezing in a little bit. Okay, now let's go to Kartik. Okay, no wasting time. And keep, whenever Yog is saying anything, just ignore him. Because he wastes everybody's time. Don't give him a lot of weight. I'm ignoring you. I'm saying it loud and clear. I don't like anybody who wastes everybody's time. Okay. Hey Divyans. How are you, beta? All good? Okay, okay. Alright. Everybody give me your wrapper back. I don't know yet how I teach you guys some basic stuff. Even if you, yeah. Even if you're not wearing diapers, you're behaving like somebody who's wearing diapers. Okay, Karthik, table till. Everybody stays quiet. Jane, I'll come to you, beta. Just stay quiet. Karthik, table till. 6 8 ja. 48. 5 9 ja.
45,
6 9 ja.
54,
4 7 ja.
28,
2 3 ja.
6,
7 4 ja.
14,
7 4 ja.
28,
28. Good job. Zan, mosquito might go inside. There are a lot of mosquitoes around. Keep your mouth closed, otherwise, you keep it open, mosquito will fly in. Okay, Zan, ready? Table till?
3,
3? 3? Still 3?
4,
4. 4 ja.
12,
4 ja.
oh, 16,
3 8 ja. Whoever is not talking has to stay on mute. Yep, yeah, Zan. 3 8 ja.
38,
Mm-hmm.
no, 24,
24. You are asking me as if you have a doubt. Don't ask, tell. Say 3 8 ja 24 without any confusion, okay? 4 7 ja. That means what? You guys are not practicing. 5 minutes, that is the minimum anybody can study. That is the least anybody can study. Okay? Alright, so practice. Jain, you have to practice with her. Next class, I want table till 4 to be rock solid for you, okay? As solid as your spike. When you came to my house, I saw your spike. That was very solid, not moving. So I want it to be solid for you, okay? Yep, Naira. I don't have water here. Okay. Let me see if I can get some. Let me see if I have water bottle at home. I may not have enough. Okay.
It smells terrible. That's why bugs go away. I love this bracelet. It smells so good. Hey, okay. And who's that? It's I love this one. And Sarah's like, can you see my dates? Huh? Why did I do it?
Okay. Make sure that you guys bring your water bottle, otherwise I will keep on running around to other things and I will not study anything. Okay, let's go to Divyans. Divyans, table till. Unmute yourself. Say that again.
6,
4 9 ja.
36,
6 7 ja.
42,
5 9 ja.
45,
6 9 ja.
48,
54. Okay, so practice. You're doing good. Just practice so that it comes quick and comes accurate. Ranveer, table till. Ranveer, here. I want everybody to be 100% with me, okay? No 50%. I know that. Okay, table till.
3,
How long?
huh?
for 2 more years till 3.
Around 4 next class.
So let's see if you remember table 3. 3 8 ja.
24.
2 9 ja.
18.
3 9 ja.
27.
2 8 ja. Is the mosquito still bothering you guys? No? Good. It's working. Okay. 16. So, Ranveer, we have to go beyond 3. Okay? Meaning next class I want 4 to be memorized. Okay? Otherwise, see, if you're not learning tables, I'm stuck. If I don't see you guys going till 8 or 9, I will not be able to teach you guys multiplication. Okay? So that's why table is very, very important. Okay? Alright. Aniket, table till. Mute yourself, Ranveer. Now, Aniket. Yeah. 5, 4 8 ja.
Oh. I don't know my 4 table.
Then how come 5? 5 comes after 4.
1, 2, 3, and 5.
No, that will not work. 5 7 ja.
35.
2 9 ja.
18.
3 7 ja.
3, 7, 8 second.
So Zan, no emojis, no texting. Everybody, okay? We are here only for one thing, that is math. 3 7 ja 21. So Aniket, I want everybody to practice.
I need to go to the restroom.
Go ahead. This is a symbol for going to restroom. You just do this and go to restroom without even asking for it. Okay, now if you guys are not spending 5 minutes to memorize tables, I don't know what I'm going to teach you guys. Whoever is not memorizing tables, I will have to leave you guys behind and keep moving on. I'll keep on talking about multiplication, division, fraction, percentage, interest, and you'll not understand anything if you don't memorize tables. So, spend 5 minutes every day, no negotiation, no bargain. Okay, let's go to Manvi. Manvi, table till
6.
5 7 ja. Ranveer, stay on mute. Let me complete the tables. Then only we'll talk.
37.
What did I say just 2 minutes ago? If somebody has to go to restroom, just click on this and go without even asking for it. Come back quickly, okay? Don't watch a movie in the restroom. Okay. 4 8 ja. 32. So, a little bit of practice is needed, okay? Because see, I know that if I say 4 3 ja is a 4, 12. 4 8 ja, you have to travel from 4 1 ja till 4 8 ja. And that will get faster when you memorize. Spend 5 minutes, okay? 3 9 ja. Rehan, don't learn anything that is not needed. Okay. 3 9 ja. 27. Practice, 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 practice. Okay, everybody. Naira. Hey, oh God. Make sure I get all the right answers. Okay. Table till 6 5 9 ja. 3 8 ja. 4 6 ja. 3 8 ja. 6 4 ja. 24. 4 6 ja 24. 6 4 ja will also be 24. Riddhi. What all tables you have memorized? Table of 2? Do you think you have memorized it? Did you get time to memorize it? No? No? Okay, let's see what Slok knows. Slok, do you know tables, Beta?
Huh?
Do you know tables?
No.
No? You have not learned tables?
I don't do tables.
You don't know tables? Okay. So, I will... Okay. So, for Riddhi and Slok, the table of 2. Give me your notebook. I will write it down, and Riddhi, you will just sing with me when I am writing it down, okay? And then we'll start, guys, okay? And everybody who has not learned how to practice tables, trust me, our life is going to get more and more difficult. Slok here, Slok here. Don't even look at him. If you look at him, you will not learn anything, I can guarantee that. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. You look at your this thing, okay? And then you will see. 2 Yug. Do you get money for disturbing the class? I will have to talk to mommy and tell that you don't send Yug to the class. I cannot afford to make everybody illiterate just because you are in the class. Do you know what illiterate means? Illiterate means somebody who doesn't know anything, who doesn't know how to read and write. And if you stay in the class, you will make sure that everybody in the class becomes illiterate. Do you want to take pride in that? So when will you learn? How long it will take? It's been more than a year since you have been promising me that you will not do anything mischievous. Okay, 2 1 ja. So Riddhi and Slok, you can note it down in the okay. I'm writing it in your notebook only. 2 1 ja 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 2 ja 4. Guys, stay on mute. Everybody on mute. Everybody on mute. 2 3 ja 6. Aniket on mute. 2 4 ja 8. 2 times 5 or 2 5 ja 10. 2 6 ja 12. 2 7 ja 14. 2 8 ja 16. 2 9 ja 18. 2 10 ja 20. So you have to do only one thing. You have to memorize tables, okay? Every day 5 minutes, okay? Whenever you get bored, you will pick up this one. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20. And then 2 4 ja 8. Oh, that is 2 times 4 is 8. So that is how you have to memorize, okay? If you don't memorize, I can guarantee that I will not be able to teach you guys anything. If you don't learn how to, if you don't memorize tables, there is nothing that I can teach you guys. I'm completely stuck. I will fail as a teacher. Okay? Okay. Now, so in the last class, we learned how to do addition, subtraction. We learned how do we do carry forward, how do we do borrowing. Anybody in the class who doesn't know what is borrowing? Zain, can you explain that to me? Can you explain that to me? Now it is your turn to teach me what is borrowing. I am a 3-year-old child. You are teaching me what is borrowing. Zain, your turn. Unmute yourself and teach me.
Borrowing is something like, you could borrow something from someone and like take it for a little bit and then like use it, and then once you get it, and then once you have some more of it, you could give that to him back. That's
Okay.
borrowing.
Divyans, okay, I'll come to you. Divyans, can you explain me what is borrowing in math? You have to unmute yourself first, otherwise I cannot hear you.
It's like taking a number that's too big apart.
Uh-huh. Okay. Tell me, Manvi, what is borrowing? I'll come to you, I'll come to
If
everybody.
a number is smaller than the next number,
Uh-huh.
the number that's next to it, add 1 to that number, and then it will turn into
Bigger number.
another number.
Okay.
And then you just minus it, and
Okay.
then it will show you the answer.
Okay, Naira, your turn. Let's see what Naira says.
Example, if you have 500
Slok here, listen to what your friends are saying. That is how we are going to learn. Zan, be unmute, beta. Yeah.
Could you write the numbers?
No, it's not numbers. I'm just trying to make you guys understand what is borrowing. Or you have to tell me what is what do you mean by borrowing?
The first number, if it equals something more than 9, then you put a 1 the right.
Zan, be on mute. Be on mute. Everybody stays on mute unless they have to talk. Yeah.
The ones place number, and then on the top of the next two numbers, they write what it all equals, and if it equals also a team number or 10, then you put a 1, and then you put a 1 on top, and then you do it again.
Or you are telling me all the difficult part of it. I'm saying that I'm a 3-year-old. I just got rid of my diapers. And you have to explain that to me. Okay, Riddhi, tell me what is borrowing. Forget about math. Nothing about math. Just tell me what do you mean by borrowing? Okay, Rehan. Tell me. Can you sit properly? Yeah. Nobody is on a beach right now. Yeah.
Borrowing is you knock to the other person and say, could you give me one?
Yeah. So it is simple. If I have, let's say, I have $5 with me, okay? And Slok says, can you give me 10? Can you give me 12? I have only 5. How can I give 12 to Slok? But Slok says, no, I need it very, very urgently right now. I'll say, but I don't have enough. Okay, I think Riddhi has a lot of money. Let me borrow from her. So I'll go and say, Riddhi, can you lend me some money? That is what is called borrowing. Meaning, when you have less, but you have something to do which needs more money, you'll borrow from somebody. It's like this. I'm not sure about your parents, but when I was buying my first car, I did not have enough money. I had only a little bit. Went to the car shop. I said, okay, I want to buy this car. They said, okay, the car is this much. I said, but I have only this much. He said, okay, to go and borrow money from somewhere. I went to the bank, took a loan. Whatever money I had, that I gave to the car company, and then remaining money I borrowed from the bank. That is called loan. But here, we are not taking loan, we are borrowing, just borrowing small amount. So borrowing simply means when you have small amount with you and you have to do something bigger, you will borrow from somebody who has money, do your work and finish it. Okay? Obviously, when you borrowed, you have to return it also, but that is later, not in the math. Okay? So, now, okay, everybody stop dancing. Whoever is dancing right now has to stop dancing, and then we'll do one more song. Now we will do a little differently. So, one, Yug, you give one problem to Rehan for borrowing. What okay? Do give. In the notebook, take the notebook, write down his notebook. He will not solve in your notebook. He'll solve in his notebook, right? Naira, you give one borrowing problem to Manvi. No, she is still a baby. She has just started. She has taken only 2 classes. I will give her something to do. So, borrowing might be a little difficult for her. I want you to add 24 and 37. Add these two. Okay, 30, 26 and 32. Add these two.
Not this. It's
Okay, okay. So you give
It was minus.
minus, borrowing.
It's easy.
Okay, so just give the problem and no debate, no argument. Okay, for all the kids here, online, Karthik, I want you to okay. Karthik, Divyansh, Zain, Aniket and Ranveer. I want you guys to subtract this. You have to only give the problem, no gyan after that. Gyan comes for free. You have to solve this one.
I'll just say that. He got something wrong. So I just.
You don't have to teach him. Teaching is my job. Okay? I had only asked you to. So everybody can see the question, right? 10,000 minus 9,000 minus 9,998. Yes, Ranveer. Ranveer, go ahead. Where are you going? Go ahead, meaning you had raised your hand. I was asking you what you want to say. Can you unmute yourself and tell me what you want to say? And where is your notebook?
I have my answer.
What is the answer?
2.
Okay. Ranveer, where is the notebook? I cannot hear you. You are talking to somebody, not me. Yep, Ranveer.
If the number is bigger than the smaller number, do we still have to borrow?
Why? You have enough money, you are rich. Why you have to borrow? So, Naira, you have to do this one.
Oh, wow.
Nobody gets. Okay, slope. Do you know how to add numbers?
Add numbers here.
Yeah. I'll come to you. Okay.
How do you go back?
Okay. So you go from here. Come here. Come here. Take out your teacher.
Neil! Are you good?
Hey.
No.
Is the bathroom? Make sure that. What did you do?
I don't know.
So if you keep dancing on the table, that is what will happen, right?
I didn't do that.
So why the table flipped?
I don't know. As you went out.
So who? What happened? Show me your hand. What happened?
Burrows there.
So can you do guys one thing please? Stay stable. Can you stay stable in one place? See, it is a table to sit. How will I sit? Just sit here and do my work. If I sit here for 5 hours also, I will not get hurt. Your pencil falls, or this one falls, you fall, everything keeps on falling. And you get hurt, and then that will be a problem. Rehan, you also. Don't move. Get up, get up. See, you guys are taking out the paint also, for which I have put so much effort. Show me your hand. It's not bleeding, right? Okay. Okay. It'll be fine, but make sure that you're being extra careful. Okay.
I'm done.
You got answer?
2.
2. Okay. Okay. Did you flush?
Yeah.
Did you wash your hand?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. Yes, Divyans, what is the answer? Unmute yourself.
8,998.
Okay, so subtract 9,998 from 10,000. Jan, what is the answer? You're talking to the mute button. When you have to talk, you are muted. When you don't have to
My
talk,
answer is
2. How about Karthik?
2.
2. So Divyans, who in the class has not been able to do it yet? Okay, Manvi, you finished this thing? Okay, 9 4. Okay, this is not, there is no borrowing, so this was easy peasy. Okay, yes, Jan, you're saying something? No? Divyans, and everybody here, sit down. And see, you guys all saw what happened to Yug, right? He got hurt also. So don't move much. Stay stable. Get up. Naira, you get up. You also get up. And sit as if you are punished. Meaning you're not supposed to move. I mean, punished as in, right? Teacher says time out. So you stay in one position. So what I'm saying is stay in one position so that otherwise no, these things are lightweight. Okay, so you can fall, and if you fall, get hurt.
This is correct.
Yeah, this is good. So now where's Divyans? Oh, Divyans is here. Who got dropped off? Ranveer. He's busy playing. Karthik, yeah, you're saying something? Okay. So here, look at this Divyans, okay? And everybody here. I have written down the number 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and then this 8 is next to this 0, this 9 is next to this 0, this 9 is next to this 0, this 9 is next to this 0. And there's nothing against this one. Now, I have 0. If I subtract 8 from 0, can I do that? No, I have 0 only. I'm very poor right now. This number is very poor. It has to borrow. Yeah, Jen.
Can I tell you?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, what you do is we erase, because we can't borrow 0 from a 0, we just go all the way back until we find the number which we can subtract, which is the 1. So then we erase the 1. The 1 is the 0.
Right.
So once the 1's the 0, then we add a 1 to the 0, which makes it a 10. So then the 8 goes in. And then 10 plus 8, most everybody in here knows what it is.
Okay.
It's 2.
So let me say the same thing like what Zan said in a little different way. And Ranveer, which notebook did you use for calculating this? Did you do skip counting? I don't want anybody in the class to be there without a notebook and a pencil. If you're not doing that, you're not in the class. Can you get a notebook and a pencil? Ranveer, get a notebook and a pencil. Without that, you are not doing math. So Divyans, here's the thing, okay? I have 0, subtract 8 from 0, you have to borrow. This guy also doesn't have, he also has to borrow. He tries to borrow from this guy, he also doesn't have. This guy has to borrow. Now, this guy tries to borrow from here, he also doesn't have. So, borrowing starts from here. The first number that you found, like what Zan said. So, this guy has to borrow to subtract 8, this guy has to borrow to subtract this guy has to borrow, this guy has to borrow. Only this guy has number. So, he says, okay, fine. Everybody needs money, I'm giving it to him. Now, this guy has 10. Now let's go here. He has to borrow from this guy, he has to borrow from this guy, he has to borrow from this guy. Okay, so this guy knows he needs 1. So he slides 1 for this guy. And this became 9. Now he also needs. Everybody has to keep giving money. Okay, so he slides 1 to this guy. And this also became 9. Now he also needs. So he slides also 1. This became 10, this became 9. Now you see, you have 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. This has anyways become 0. So your answer is 2. Yeah? Does it make sense, Divyans? Okay. Now, we will learn how to add 3 numbers. We will learn how to add 3 numbers. So, did you complete your addition method? Not this one. The one that I have given you. How much it is? 2 plus 6 is how much? 8. 6 plus 2, 6. And then 2, 7, 8. So, you'll have to write 8 here. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. Write that. That's it. Okay. So, now, adding or subtracting 2 digits is fine. How about adding 3 numbers? If I say add, now Ranveer will do skip counting. Let's see how much he can do. If I say add 101 plus 35 plus 99. How can you add these 3? Ranveer, you are talking, but I cannot hear you. You are on mute or your mic is not working. Zan, do you know how to add these 3 numbers? Yep. Do you know how to add the 3 numbers?
Carry on.
Do it. Do it. The only way to solve any problem is by doing it. So for Slok, so when you are adding numbers, let's say somebody says 3 plus 4. So see, 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4. Now 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Keep it.
Answer is 235 or mine.
How much?
235.
Okay. How did you do it? Show me that. Okay. Yeah. Put your hand. Is it all okay? Put your hand.
Like that, the red area first.
Just grab it slowly. It will be slowly. It will hurt otherwise. Okay. But make sure that you guys are not moving much. See, we had a lesson learned the hard way. Okay. So how will you add these three numbers? Slok, any idea? Rehan, how will you add? Zan, how will you add three numbers? No, when you're talking, you have to unmute yourself. Yeah.
So what?
How will you add these three numbers?
By doing carryover?
No carryover. I'm saying add three numbers, add three numbers. Karthik, how will you do that?
Do it in a carryover.
What is carryover? You guys are telling me a lot of complicated things. I'm a 3-year-old. I was wearing diapers till yesterday.
So if the number is bigger than a 1 digit, you put the first digit onto the top of the next row, and then you add.
Okay. So, see, if I have to add these two numbers, everybody here, if you guys are a little confused, look at this one, okay? If you have to add these two numbers, what will you do? 101 and 35, and you will add, right? I'm saying add three numbers, so this 99 also. So basically, we are talking about adding three numbers. See, my only problem with the schooling system here is they tell you that everything is complicated. I believe in everything being simple when it comes to math. We know how to add two numbers. So what is the difference that it will bring if you have to add three numbers? Okay, if I have to add these two, what will I do? Waste lot of paper. 101. Yeah, I've written 101. Then add 35. So 3 next to 0 and 5 next to this. Okay. Now add 99. So 1 9 goes here, 1 9 goes here. Add them. As simple as that. Be it 3 digit, 4 digit. You guys were saying carry over or whatever. Yeah.
I got my answer.
What is that?
235.
Okay, yeah. So now, what it means is add these three numbers, and add whatever you have here. Now look at this. 1 plus 5, how much?
6.
6. 6 plus 9, how much?
15.
15. So 15. What will I write? Only 5. What goes on the head of the next number? 1. Now this column is done. Now we are here. 9 plus 3 is how much?
4. Sorry.
9 plus 3.
9 plus 2 is 12.
12. And then 1. Makes it how much?
13.
13. What will I write? 3, the first number. What will I not write? This 1. That goes and sits on the head of the next number. Now 1 plus 1.
2.
2. So tomorrow if somebody has to add 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, you'll do it the same way. Yeah? Zan is clapping. Now let me give you guys another method where you will make sure that you don't go wrong.
Can you can do 35 plus 99 first. Then the one that you got, you can put 100 plus the answer you got from that.
That's another way you can do it, but there's so many steps involved. I'm saying that you can do it all in one go. Okay? So there's nothing wrong in what you're saying. That is also perfectly fine. But now let's look at
What is that? Flipping noise?
uh,
What is it?
That is killing mosquitoes. This is an insect killer. So because mosquitoes are bothering you guys, right? That's why we have put all the things for making sure that you guys are not being bothered by mosquitoes. Now, do you know what is this called? What does it look like? A table? Yeah, Kartik.
It looks like a square with a bunch of extra squares inside it.
Yep. Okay.
Like Sigmund Street.
What does it look like to you?
Some sort of
So many boxes. Yeah.
a mini type of bingo.
Okay. You guys are going way too far. We are not doing bingo or housey right now. What I'm saying is this table or boxes, whatever you call it. Okay. I will put. Let's say I have to add 64 and 39. Okay.
Can you draw that?
No, I mean just explaining this to you guys. Okay. I have to add 64 and 39. Here, this box says that you can put only one number in a box. Only one number in the box. If you have more numbers, keep adding boxes, okay? But you can put only one number in one box. Now look at this, 64 and 39. So 6, 4. You fill from right to left. 64 and this 39. So 9 and 3. These boxes are empty, it's okay. Now look at this, 4 plus 9, 13. What does it say? You can write only one number in a box. So you can only write 3 here. This 1 goes here. Okay. Okay. Now this you are adding these two, right? Now you come here. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Oh, 10. Again, you can write only one number in this box. This 1 goes here. Now 1 plus nothing. 1. Done. So what this box helps you do is you don't have to worry about whether you're putting the numbers very closely or keeping them far. Okay? This just helps you make sure that you don't go wrong with your calculation. Now look at this. If I say and you can keep on adding boxes. Okay? If I say add 10,024. You need how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's make a big box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now fill this one. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And then 24. You start filling from here. So first goes 4, then goes 2. So when you have boxes like this, your whole thing becomes much easier. You don't have to do skip counting. You don't have to worry about numbers mixing with each other. Am I adding the right number with right number or not? Right? Now 0 plus 4, 4. You're putting only one number in one box, okay? That way your chance of going wrong is less. Does it make sense? So tomorrow, if I say add 69 also or 69 also, what you will do is 9 here, 6 here, 6 here. And then this is the final one for adding. Now you will say, okay, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 13. But I can write only one number in one box, 3. What you did not write? 1. 1 goes here. Okay, 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1, 9. Okay, done. 9 is one number, so I can just plug it here. Now 6 plus 0 is 6. 0 is 0, 1. So, no matter how many numbers you are trying to add, be it 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, you just create this box and then just keep in mind that you can only put one number. Whatever is extra, that is your carry forward. Is it making sense? Little bit? Slow? Yeah? Okay. So I know this is your first class, so first thing first, everybody has to memorize tables, okay? Because if you don't memorize tables, I will fail miserably as a teacher. Your parents will say, my kid is not learning anything. And that is because kids are not practicing tables. If kids don't practice table, how far we can go? So now let's see Riddhi, what's happening Riddhi. So you're doing right thing, but show me this. Right is always right, meaning you'll start from right. Where is right? Here or here? No. This is your right hand, right? This is your right hand. So this is right hand. So this is right. This is your left hand. This is left. Yeah? So you start from right always. So when you have to fill it, you'll put 4 here, then you'll put 2 here. These boxes will remain empty. Okay? So then adding it will be easy. If you write from here, then everything goes for a toss. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, oh, your pencil is done. Okay, now let's see if you guys know what is a place value. Do you guys know what is a place value? Everybody? Okay, let's check that quickly. So, from where does the place value thing start?
Ones.
Unit of 1. Then,
Tens.
no, not you will not give every answer. Let everybody participate. Yeah. Then 10. Then
100.
100.
1,000.
Then 1,000.
10,000.
10,000.
100,000.
100,000 million. Yeah.
10
So-
million.
Okay. Stop there. You know side effect of dancing, right? A bruise is a side effect of dancing. Yeah. So don't dance in the class. Okay. So now when you see a number, let's say if I put a number like this. If I put a number like this. 1694370. Can you tell me what is the place value for this guy?
One.
Go ahead, Divyans. What is the place value for this guy? This is unit place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place. Yeah.
10,000. I mean, 1,000.
Don't rush. Yeah. How about you? Unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Okay?
She only knows 1,000.
That's okay. I will teach. So unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay? So if you look at this is a million place. How many millions we have in this number? 1. Yeah? This is a 1,000 place. How many thousands we have here? 4. If you look at this is 100,000 place. How many 100,000s we have? 6. Yeah? Zan, unmute yourself and tell me what you want to tell.
That's gonna be the.
Can I have water? Can I get my water?
Yeah. And again, go as if you are going to get a water bottle. You are not going for a war. Yeah. And stay stable. If you fall down, get hurt, there is nothing that I can do. I don't have a degree for treating anybody. But where do you want to go, Riti? Okay. Okay. Everybody sit down. Back to your place. We have only 10 more minutes. See, this is what you do. You are a fragile kid. You hurt yourself, you'll hurt everything in your surrounding. Okay, yeah.
Why is it getting darker outside?
Evening. Okay. Alright, so everybody clear about the place value thing, right? If I say what is the place value for 9, can somebody tell me on the screen? Divyans, what is the place value for this one? Divyans? Stay stable. Now, do you really want to break your bones for learning something? You got hurt already by doing all the mischief. Learn from it. Yeah. What is this one, Divyan? Million. Let's go from here. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is 10,000 place. So we have 9 10,000s. How much we are talking about? 9 10,000. 9 times 10,000. 90,000. Yep. Yep. You're saying something. Go ahead.
Was that number in the hundreds? No, it's in
I'm sorry.
10,000.
This is 10,000 place. So now let's try to understand how do we read numbers. How do we read numbers? How do we read numbers? If I say, can somebody tell me how much is this number? Total value of this number? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. 467. 467. That's what Manvi is saying. Do you guys agree? Ranveer, how much is this number? What are you busy with, Ranveer, right now? In the class, it's a 1 hour class. I want everybody to be with me for entire 1 hour. With full focus, full attention. Abhi, you are 8 minutes early for the class. I'm just dealing with the younger ones. What is this number? 467? 467?
Yes.
Yeah, Paniket? Is it 467?
I can't see the middle clearly. Yep, it's 467.
Now let's read it. You said 467. Now look at the place value. This is unit. This is 10. This is 100. What did you guys say? 400. So 4 in the 100th place. 467. 407. 60. 6 into 6 tens. 467. What is this? 938. 9 in the 100th place. 930. 3T. 8. If I say, what is this number? What is this number? Yes, Divyas. Yeah, Jan, go ahead. I'll come to you later. Whom are you talking to, Zan? Mute button.
1,003,000.
1,003,000. Is that your answer as well? Do you think it's 1 million? I don't know. This is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So in the million place I have 1. So this is 1 million. And how much? 3. 1 million is 3. If I had 6 here, this would have been what?
1,063,000.
Not 63.
1,600,000.
3. Break it down. You have 1 in the millions place. So this is 1 million. 6 in the hundredths place. So 1,600,000 and 3. Yeah? Slok, is it making sense?
Yeah.
This is how much? Slok. Slok, this is for Slok. How much it is?
57.
57. So 5 in the tens place, so 50, 5t, 57. Riddhi, how much is this? How much is this number? 2029? No. This is unit tens, hundreds place. How many hundreds? 229. So when you see a number, you are actually reading it by its place value. If I say, what is this number? If I say, what is this number? You are actually reading this. This is unit 10, 100, 1000. 4765. So when you see any number, right, you look at the place value and then you read it backward. Yeah. If I say 7, this one, unit 10, 100, 789. Yep.
Is that a 9?
Now,
It's still a 9.
so we are just reading the numbers by its place value. Okay. Everybody okay? Are you guys clear? So everybody note down one number, and in the next class you will explain me what is that number, okay? I'm writing it down right now. And everybody take your pencil and paper out. Without me asking for it, you guys will explain this to me in the next class. I'm writing a number. Everybody note down this number. 636876857. You guys will read this number for me in the next class. Ranveer, note down this number. Okay, all right. 636876857. Note it down. If you are not noting it down, that is also fine. You can look at the video of the class, and in the last 5 minutes you will find this number, and then I would want you guys to read that number for me. Okay? With that being said, I will let you guys go. Have fun and see you guys in the next class. Wait for the assignment. I'll send you guys the assignment.